Today's factory is constantly evolving, retooling for new products, expanding for new demand, and shifting processes for new challenges. But while the methods for creating products have become state-of-the-art, the ways we build, retool, and operate factories are stuck in the past. Outdated and disconnected plant information leads to stalled production lines, ruined product, and lost revenue. The factory of the future will unite data across all the plant's teams to give instant access to information wherever it is needed. The factory of the future connects production and facility teams, driving productivity during construction, install, and operations. Empowered facility teams accelerate project timelines, improve collaboration, and drive decisions to accelerate operations and keep production lines running smoothly. With Autodesk Construction Cloud, facility teams have access to live drawings and documents, making design changes instantly visible on the shop floor. And by enabling field teams to update the facility model with changes to equipment, shop specifications, and P&IDs to reflect their true condition for more efficient operations and inspections. Autodesk Construction Cloud connects teams, workflows, and data from design to build, to install and operations. The factory of the future is connected with Autodesk Construction Cloud.